What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another session of Build, Break, and Fix. I'm I am uh, one of the role coders, and my co-host role coder, which is Kartik. I think he's running a bit late, but he should be on his way. And yeah, so basically we are raw coders. We online stream every day from 9:30 and until 10:30 on the weekdays and until 11 on the weekends. So it will be on the weekends today, so which will go to 11. Brilliant. So hi, Hafiz. Good to have you. Right. So yeah, just to give you a bit of a brief idea. So today, yesterday, what we did was as in, celebrate our new stream setup. And if you're curious about our equipment that we use, you can always go to our YouTube channel and look at the video recording. And today, what we're going to be doing is we will be getting back into the fun part, which is coding. Uh, yes, the exciting part begins in the session, and I think what we I'll, um I will just go and check out the Jira stuff, because for the project management stuff, we use Jira from Atlassian. So I'm just gonna share my screen really quick and see where is our sprint or the project is. All right. So just bear with me for a bit. I've got a new Mac as well, so which is why I might not be up to speed, but I'm gonna try my best to do this. Let's share screen. Weapon, weapon to your famous hat. Oh, I just so it's gone in the wash and it's still wet, so I can't wear it. Get Andre. Yeah, man. Good to know that you missed my hat. And by the way, good to have you again. Right, so I'm gonna just share my screen and open up Atlassian by a second, so you can switch. Yeah, I'm thinking about that. So our merge has been done. So I'm thinking of getting one of the merges hat, as in raw coders on the hat. So that's actually a really great idea. I'm gonna go for that. Right, so I'm gonna share my screen and open up Jira from Atlassian and see where is all our issue tracking. To be honest, I just hope that I can remember this. I can remember my password. Must be this one, or no, hang on. This one? Nope, wasn't that one. This one? Yeah, this one, and I'll just do that. Cool. So this is our Jira, our project management, as in the board. So what we are working on at the moment is on this one here. So in where we were there, we changed the backend to take in the board ID. Um, instead of, I need to correct this one. It's not spelled correctly. Instead of the board name. All right, so that's still. I'm gonna just go ahead and open the terminal and see where I'm at in that item. Cool, and that'll be like. duh, 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 Uh, actually, any get one of these lack of color Ruby Rancher. Yeah, cool. I'll definitely have a look at that. Thanks for that one. And yeah, I think it's running a bit late. So hopefully he'll be back soon. So I just thought that I would go ahead and just wait for him until he comes back. Hopefully he's not far off. So this one is there. So actually, what I was gonna do is open up my workspace and then the scrambler thing. This is that one. Yeah. So this is the API that we're doing, and I'm gonna go ahead and open up in code. Right. Okay, that's interesting. Why is it opening up in? I swear I set this up. That's really, really interesting for me. All right, never mind. I will go and do VS Code, not in that way. Visual Studio. Oh, please don't tell me I've deleted the VS Code. Come on. No, 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 no. I can't have deleted it. I think I deleted that one. I'm just gonna go and get the files that I deleted probably. Yeah, I deleted it. Shouldn't have done that. Alright, cool. So how about if I try and open it now? Code. Nope. Ah, okay. Because I deleted it, now what I need to do is I need to add in the path again. Shell print, shell command, install code, permission denied, unlink. Ah, alright. So that seems like it's all messed up. Interesting. Anyway, we will just um can you try using Vim? Yes, I can use that, but I would just for the VS Code might be a bit easier. But let's go ahead and have a good new experience using Vim. So just so which one do I need to do? So this one would be that one, right? Scrambler API. That's the one. Open that one up. And which one do I need to change? It's vim app.js. Cool. So this is our code here. I just need to make sure that everything is taken in the board ID instead of the board name. So for example, this one, this should be board ID here, not board name. So we need to figure this one out. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do the change here. I think it's already. I need to get the latest first. I need to do a git pull and then work on that thing. Or have I already got the latest? Okay, cool. I've already got the latest. I'd have to keep an eye on the channel as well. All right. No new comments. Right. Okay, so again there, open up scrambler.api and now we need to open up Vim in app.js as in app.js. Yeah, that's fine. Insert. So what we need to do now is we need to change all the board, wherever is taking in the board name, we need to change that to board ID. So let's go ahead and do that. But there you go. So board ID. Cool. That I don't need. Actually, yeah, I need the inverted comma. Um, any more comments? No more comments. Brilliant. So board ID is there. So in this one, I need to also check if board. So I'm gonna check if board ID isn't in the request params. Then I'm giving. Actually, I need to change this as well. Board ID to board ID. Cool, and then board ID. But so here I'm gonna say if I have the board ID in the request of params, then just assign that board ID from the request of params to this board ID here. All right, that looks good to me so far. And then what we need to do is just do this. To let row is that one. Okay, so I'm getting all the rows, and then what I need to do for row. Okay, there we go. I don't think I need this board ID anymore, so I'm just gonna go ahead and comment this because I don't think I need it. Huh. Right, cool. So here I'm gonna say if my passed in board ID matches the board ID that, oh no, yeah, that's fine. So if the board ID I've already got in the database, if that matches my passed in board ID, then I want to basically go ahead and um that particular board, and then just send the data as a response. Cool. Let's try this and see if it works. Any comments? No, no comments. Brilliant. Do, 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 do. Cool. All right. Now I'm gonna do save it. Oops, no. I need to press escape first and then save it in there. Cool. Okay, that's saved. And now what we're gonna do is deploy SAP. So am I in the right folder? Yes, Scrum API, templates there, cool. So now let's build it. Oh, okay. I'm actually doing pretty good in the Vim editor. As in, I don't even need VS Code anymore, apparently. Cool. Proud of myself. Good job, eh? Right, so deploy. Have a guided deployment. Course, yeah, that's the one. 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 That one. I don't think it's gonna pass because I haven't set up the credentials. Yes, that's the problem. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to go to my AWS account and get my credentials, and for that reason, I'm not for confidentiality purposes, I'm not gonna share the screen. So if you just bear with me for a minute, I will come back. All right. So go there. Um, Actually, what I might do is also where's my AWS? In my AWS account. Here we go. So the reason why I'm not sharing my screen anymore is because I'm trying to set the AWS credentials, as in the access key and the secret access in my credentials file, and for that, I don't want to get hacked. I don't want my AWS account to get hacked if you guys have the secret access and access key, which is a pretty obvious thing. So I'll just logging into this AWS um, and see how that goes. Right. It says I've got 6 days to change my password. Interesting. Right. Go to my account. Uh, can you put the green screen again? Looks professional. Cool. Yeah, for sure. I'll do that. Just bear with me for a bit. There we go. And I'll have to actually change the background as well now. Perfect. Whoa, whoa. What am I doing? What am I doing? No, 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 no. I don't want that one. I'm just trying to put on the screen. It's all coming up as pink. Oh, well, let's screen or blue screen is required. Why is it doing this? Microphone, that one. Speakers, that one. Wallet, yeah, cool. There we go. Okay, not sure how you can see this now, but if you can see this properly, please let me know. Because on my end, it's all appearing pink. But yeah, what other backgrounds can you choose? So Andre, if you're talking about that, the background should show as full, as in here. That's not gonna happen at the moment because I think I have to order a large a large screen, as this isn't enough. So choose a raw quarters picture. Yeah, I will do. That's in my other laptop because I'm using a brand new laptop that I bought. So yeah, um, hopefully from tomorrow I'll have this set up properly. Why did you buy a laptop? Um, because the other one was really slow. It was a 2015 MacBook, and the streaming wasn't being proper on that one. So I thought that why not invest it, because I'm gonna be doing as in we're gonna be doing this channel as in properly, as in create a brand. So we thought, why not invest in a proper equipment. So I bought the laptop, and Kay also did some investment in a setup too. Didn't you get a new one from work? Yes, but that's Windows. That's not a Mac. And yeah, I don't really want to use that one for streaming purposes. Sent you a picture on Slack. Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna have a look now. Yeah, I wanted to put this one as well, just for a bit of fun, but it's not in my max, so I don't really want to waste time, as in doing that while on the stream, if you know what I mean. But that's a really actually funny picture though. Download on Slack is right here. All right. I think I'm being a bit lazy, so yeah, let's do it. Have I got Slack on this desktop for Slack? It's on the App Store. Cool. Right. I'm actually gonna share my screen because I don't have the Yahoo account open at the moment. So I'll just do this part and doing that way. Right. So Slack, get this one. All right. Okay. Sign in. Um. Oh boy. Please don't tell me I forgot the password. No, I didn't forget the password. Perfect. All right, so I've got this thing for the security. Du- 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 du, 5, 9, 2, 8, 4, 9. Cool, that's done, and that should be downloading now. Right. Using Touch ID. Yes, I want to do that. Cool. Actually, I'm just thinking about it again. I might not put that on as my background because it affects our branding. But what I can do is actually put and uh what I can do, yeah, I don't think I should put any, as in any other branding apart from the proper one on there, because it will just affect the branding. I'd rather wait and yeah, if you can did you send me the proper one? Okay, yeah, I can put that one on. Thanks for that. I'm gonna just stop sharing my screen so that I can operate the Slack, as in thing confidentiality. Come on, Slack, open up. There we go. Allow this. Oh, okay. I need to sign into Slack. Wow. All right. Let's see if I can remember my credentials for Slack. It's been ages. I haven't, as in, put in my password and everything in that. Apparently, that's interesting. Apparently, it didn't even need my password or nothing. It just set me up. That's wicked. All right, but I do need to go back in the channels. Wow. Do, 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 do. Open up my Slack. How do I change the channel on this? Sign out of Melbourne. Yeah, I want to sign out from there. Oh wow. Okay. So basically, what I need to get is the URL of the DevCop Slack as well. That's interesting. Cool. So let's get that one. When you can you send him a message when you yeah, thanks for that, DevCorp. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna just quickly text him and see where's he at. Come on, Kay, come on, you should be here. I'm just messaging him now. Okay, while he comes back, I'll just go ahead and log into the DevCorp Slack, which is DevCorp Melbourne slash Melbourne.com.au, was it? I think so. No, slack.com. There you go. All right, so I'm just about to sign in that one too. Let's check how this goes. Du- 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 Okay, so apparently I signed in to that one with my Hotmail ID. Let me just check if I can access it. Come on, Slack. Come on. Let me in. No, I can't. This, I think here we go. It works now. Cool. So, yeah, I'm in DevCop now. And open both of them. Open Slack. Cool. There we go. And I just found your message, and yeah, let's download that. Perfect. Download in my, I wanted to save in my downloads folder. Cool. Now let's come back to the screen. Why am I thinking I should say stream? All right, so now I'm gonna share my screen. There you go. Brilliant. And upload my background. Camera, yeah, green screen. And then I need to upload another background, which is in the downloads folder. There you go. I just hope that's, here we go. Perfect. Actually, I'm gonna really narrow it down so it becomes in this way. Actually, there you. No, I can't do that. Can't, can I? Yeah, I can do this. So let's just stick to that for now. Save background. Cool. Here we go. Raw coders. Actually, yeah, that should do it. Where's the most I want? Uh, where's the merge I wanna show? Yeah, Andre, we've actually ordered it yesterday, so it's on the way. So you will get a t-shirt, and yeah, we'll contact you for your size as well. All right, so now that the background is done as well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop my screen share and I'm gonna set up my AWS 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 bleh, AWS credentials. Oh, thank you. Yeah. All right. Cool. So let's stop my screen share and let's um set up the AWS credentials and see what where we at. Okay, so I need to go to IAM and don't need that one. Right, IAM is open. Now what I need to do is go to my user. That's my user, brilliant. And I need my ah, cool. I came on the screen just to make sure that I wasn't I wasn't sharing my screen, so I just wanted to be really as in 100% sure that I'm not doing that. Cool. So that is there. Cloud. duh, 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 duh. Uh, so SSH. No, don't need that. Uh, okay. So let's create a new one because it's not showing me the old one again. No, put it in. Okay, cool. So I've got my. I'm gonna download this CSV and take it from there. Cool. So now what I'm gonna do is open up my another terminal window and go to my file called uh AWS. Not the file, sorry, the folder called AWS, and in there the file should be actually create a file called credentials. Credentials. There you go, and then insert, and then do the profile. Yeah, and then what I need to do is get my access key and all those. Okay, so this is my access key. Cool, just copying it and pasting in the credentials file. There you go. Access key. Access key ID. And then I also need my secret access key. I'm not even sure that this will work. But let's see if it what does it do. We shall see where does it lead us. Wanna just set I wanna just get my that one again, open with Microsoft Excel. Come on, Excel. Come on, be quick. There you go. Start using Excel. Yay, there I have my X key right there. Brilliant. Okay, cool. So let's come back to Vim and paste the access key there. And that should basically do the trick, except that instead of profile, I need to give in default. So it always uses these credentials. All right, and let's see if that works for us. Cool. So I've given it the credentials. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so I'm gonna come back and share my screen. And open up this one and see what does it say this time. Hopefully it will be fine. Sam deploy G guarded. Done, 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 done. Yeah. Come on, look for resources. Okay, so that's I must have done something wrong. So I need to go back and have a look. Track more recent line have been Sam. Unable to locate credentials. Alright. So I need to check how exactly do I solve this error. No credentials. Saved my credentials. Yeah, that's what I actually have. Saved in the right place. I need to custom. Don't want that one. Confirm my choices. Make sure you don't include exercise day and access key in the code. Yeah, of course. Okay, yeah, I see. So this is what I've done wrong. Cool. So instead of underscores, I did spaces there, which is obviously not gonna work in that way. So I'm gonna have to share my screen, unshare my screen again, and go back to my terminal, and then get that folder credentials and Vim credentials. There you go. Brilliant. So all I need to do is paste those other ones because I think that might be the reason it's not picking up. Probably entirely sure, but let's see if that is the case. Don't need this, don't need this, don't need this, don't need this anymore. Don't save. Okay, Slack and quit as well. Right, where were we? Okay, I'm not sharing my screen, am I? No, I am not. So I need to copy and paste the format of secret access key ID as well and paste it over here. Cool. Now we shall see what happens if it works or not. All right. Cool. I'll come back to the stream and share my screen now. Do, 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 do. Actually, now I'm actually realizing that I do miss my co-host K, aka Kartik. Yeah, he's a good guy, as in funny, humorous. Yeah, but I don't know where he is today, so he must have something really important come up, which is why he's not being able to reply to me or get back. So let's just see. Hope everything is okay with him. Yay! So that's worked. Perfect. So that was a problem. So it's uploading now. How am I sharing my screen? Yes, I am. Cool. So it's just waiting for the chain set to be created. Brilliant. Okay, so that's been deployed successfully. What we need to do now is hang on, what change did I actually make? Can't even remember now. I need to go there, vim app.js. So I made the change, which was to get a particular board. Okay, by board ID, cool. So get a particular board by board ID, right? So I need to test that, and I'm gonna test it by Postman. So I'm gonna run my Postman. All right. As soon as this comes up, then we can paste in the URL. Actually, I need to get the URL from my API gateway as well. Actually, no, not from the API gateway. I can just use terminal to get the URL. It should be here. So this is that. This is uploading that one function. By role. No, that's not it. I need the API endpoint. They should have. I think you should have given me over here. Uh, do, 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 do. That's not it. Uh, no. Okay, cool. So I would have to go to my CloudFormation stack and you can get it from there. Okay, cool. So get rid of that, get rid of that. All right, there we go. That's our d- that's API gateway. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and what we need is this endpoint. And I'll just go and paste this endpoint in Postman. Right, here we go. So that's it, and then board, and then let's Then post get. Okay, let's do that and see if we get all the resource not found. Okay, because uh yeah, I think I know what the problem is here. We need to go back and change the table name. Actually, the table code. Not the code, the ARN. So let's do this. Um, just use an arrow key and do that. Actually, no, we don't need to do that either. I'll find the resource. So that I'm got any comments? No, I haven't. Cool. That's brilliant. Uh, do, 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 that's that one. So if what was the error again? Resource not found. Request ID, status code. I think it's talking about the prod board. Are we getting all the boards? Actually, let's just open everything in code because I'm getting a bit confused in Vim. Okay, this is even Scrum layer. So we are basically getting that one. So it should actually give me all the boards. But why is it not? Okay. This was a problem that the endpoint isn't right. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's just open up another terminal and Sam build it. All right, and then Sam deploy. Cool, that one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Cool. So this should do the trick, and it should get a particular board by its ID for us. Let's see if that does it. Okay, cool. So that's been deployed. Go back to my Postman and try this again, and it should work now. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't. Yeah, cool. So this has worked, and I want to see if I would change work. So I'll just give this board ID to this board. And send this one, and this should actually give me that board only. Let's check. Right. Okay, cool. Where did I go wrong? Let's go and have a look. In Lambda, I need the Lambda function to come up, and then it's logs. Wow, my new Mac is really fast apparently. I'm loving this. Really happy that I made this investment. Okay, so it's giving us a run board. Syntax error. Typo. Come on, Zane. I can do better than this. So where was it? Get particular board. There. That was the error. Yeah, it should have worked if not. Anyway, let's have a look now. And build it. And Sam deploy. Right. Okay, so this should hopefully work now. But let's see. Okay, cool. So that one's done. Let's see if the request goes through this time. Perfect. Here we go. So we are getting the board ID by we getting the board by board ID. Cool. So that's working. Let's go quit the terminal. We don't need that. And now we need to check other methods who are taking board IDs. Not that one. Not that one. Replacement. Cool. That's fine. We just did that one, so I don't really need this anymore. Create a new board. There we go. No, that's fine. Crisp and deletes a board. I just want to check if it's deleting the board functionality working already. Let's delete this board and then search for this board again. All right. Cool. So board delete. Yeah. So if this is delete, this should go. Missing authentication token. Right. Missing authentication token. So what's the problem here? Let's go back to CloudWatch and see what actually happened. It's not giving any. No, this can't be the request. I'm pretty sure. This cannot be the request. Click close CloudWatch, refresh, then open this. There has to be another latest one. Yeah, this must be the one. 23. Right. Any comments from no comments. Perfect. I'm not missing out on anything. Uh da, 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 da. Right. So what do we do now is, and actually I'm gonna do another request and see why is it not working. Oops, I don't want the dictionary, come on. Okay. So message is missing authentication token. Right. Deleting isn't working. What did it give me here? Any any clues that I can go and check?
Hey, yo,
Hey, Kay,
surprise.
what's happening, mate? Yeah,
Uh,
that was a really good surprise. Everything
yeah,
alright?
yeah. There was a bit of an emergency. That's why I wasn't able to
Oh,
text you as
right.
well.
That makes
I'll
sense.
let you know after the stream, but yeah, what's happening?
Yeah, just a bit of an update. First of all, see my background.
Oh, did you reveal the T-shirt?
No, I didn't.
I think you
See
did.
my background properly.
Yes, the background is the T-shirt's background, isn't it?
No, it's not. Is it?
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Oh, okay, then it looks fine. You're sharing a screen.
Ah, right. Oh my goodness. Ah, seriously, how can I be that dumb?
Yeah, I'm sorry, Andre. I'm late. There was a bit of an emergency. I couldn't inform Zen as well. Had to rush someone to the hospital. I mean, not exactly like to the hospital, but like to the clinic nearby.
But are they okay now, though?
Yeah,
As
yeah,
in, yeah?
yeah,
We'll talk about that offline. All right?
yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
Do you wanna do 5 push-ups? And he's asking me to do it, but
Y-
do you wanna
Yeah.
join?
All right. Why not? Let's do it.
Hmm. Alrighty. Oh, okay. I can't put pull all my camera.
Hmm. Here we go. You ready?
1 second.
Can you see me?
I can, but I'm afraid you won't be able to see me because I have a new camera and has a oh
All right.
limit.
Just a request.
Yeah.
Try not to cheat.
Okay.
All right.
Cool. You count.
Two,
Yep.
one, go. Five.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo!
Yay. There we
Wow.
go.
Blood feels pumped.
Hmm.
All right. Just to give you a bit of a background, as in what I have been doing.
Hmm.
So you know how Andre, here we go.
Right. Yep. What is it for?
You know how we decided that we're gonna change all the backend to take the board IDs instead of board name.
Hmm.
So I've just changed a gap method to take in the board ID, and I just tested it. That worked fine.
Right.
Uh, no, Andre is the Express app, and but now before moving on, I thought that I would check the delete board method as well because that's already taken board ID, and apparently that wasn't working. So I'm just trying to figure out why.
Right. What error does it give?
Um, it's 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 just saying this. There's missing authentication token, board ID. So I'm
Hmm.
just trying to figure out why is that, and I've already checked the CloudWatch logs. and that doesn't seem to be giving me much. Sorry about that. I'm getting burps as well now. Scrambler, which one was this? ZNA? ZNA. Yeah. So I'm thinking, what could be the reason? Going back into the code is getting
Yeah.
this board ID. Oh, hang on a minute. I must know why.
Uh,
This is not
yeah.
matching, so this has to be board ID.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Board ID, board ID. Yeah, that one's fine. Board ID, all are fine except that one. Cool. I'll just try and run this. Dude, you won't believe how much I mean, the new Mac. It's really fast, man.
Yeah, I do know.
As in, it's just mind blowing. Trust me, it's increased a lot my efficiency as well.
Hmm. Yeah, I know what you mean. Just makes you like think faster as well.
Yeah. To be honest, now I know how you managed to think that fast as well.
Yeah, I mean, the laptop helps.
Yeah. If you can just keep an eye on the comments, because
I,
I'm not gonna be able to have a look anymore.
yeah,
Right. So test this and see if this does it. Delete. No, it's not doing it. Actually, let me try this. Get all the boards first. I can delete this one, board ID. Board delete. Hi, it needs to give us some indication on what I'm doing wrong here.
yeah, I'm just adjusting my
34.
monitor's brightness. It wasn't 100 apparently.
Oh, wow.
And I was wondering why my eyes are hurting today.
Ah, yeah, that would explain it, to be honest.
Yep.
Right. So, where is the problem here? So, board item. Actually, hang on a minute. I'm doing this. Why board dot items? And if I'm getting that board row, table. Okay, so that's just that table row. Dot
Send you a link.
table row. It sends me a link.
Yeah, no,
Stack Overflow missing authentication token. I'm pretty sure it's something to do with the code, though. To be honest,
oh yeah.
I've lost some time.
Like go on Amazon.
The get list was missing.
Go on AWS.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and show me. Yeah, go on resources and
Dude, this is really fast, honestly.
yeah,
Yeah. All right.
um, show me the get method.
Do we
Yeah,
have to have another method called deletes here as well? I'm
not
thinking.
really.
Okay.
That should be fine. Yeah, click on method request. This
proxy.
method execution.
Hmm.
Yep. Just gonna have a look. Okay. And can you go? Yeah. Have you opened method request? What authorization is already set to none? Huh, interesting. So yeah, authorization is none, so it shouldn't be.
But this is the get. We are trying to delete it, and get is working. I think because of this method.
You can go on the post method and go on. Yep, method request. Okay, the authorization is off here as well. Um, I just wanna have a final look. Okay, maybe try creating the delete method here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, give the lambda. You missed the S.
What do you say?
Oh yeah, that's fine. I thought you missed the S.
Oh, right.
Okay, wait. Go on method request again. That's fine. Go back. Go on method response. That's it, and go on integration response once.
No. Request, you mean?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just deploy.
Dude, this is just unbelievable. I
I
can't.
feel like when it wasn't working, it was your laptop, not the internet.
Probably, yeah. It was, apparently. All right, so let's check this. Yeah, it was
There
that.
you go. Right.
Uh,
Wait. What happens if the board isn't present in the thing? Then what do you do? Do you return a status or something?
nope, I don't do anything to be honest. So we need to add that kind of a validation.
Yep. Go ahead and add that in the backend.
Okay, so if board ID that one, if it is there, actually no, yeah. So if it is there, then we are doing this. Hang on a minute. I'm thinking where to add the validation. If is equal to that one, yeah. Then I'm doing this and then doing.
You can make a flag if you want. If you get it, then you put the flag to 1, L0.
But then we're gonna have to apply another if condition
Why?
that if the flag is then come here, otherwise don't.
Yeah, that's fine. It's just a if condition, right?
Yeah, but rather not apply more if condition if I can do the work in this if condition only.
Okay, yeah.
What do you reckon?
Like that. I just told you the first thing which came to my mind. But if you can do it without that, then that'll be cool.
Yeah, I'm just thinking at the moment. So if it's that one, so this one can come out.
Don't put it out. Mhm. Whenever we have tried to keep it outside the for loop, it has crashed.
Okay, how about if we do just a flag for now? Um, is
Just say delete flag or something.
is board present.
I should be small. I first letter capital is
Ah,
only
ah,
for
yeah,
classes.
yeah, that's fine.
So for variables, always the first letter should be small.
Of course. Uh, true. So by default it will be true, but
By
actually
default, it's
no,
false.
no, 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 it's false. It's false. You're
So
right.
initially, we want to assume that the board isn't there at all.
And if it is,
When we
then
find it, then only we are gonna say that is board present is true.
I'm just
Is
thinking how to do it with a minimal amount of code. If
just write
board
is
is
equal
there,
to.
I know, but I was thinking that if I could insert another if statement to say that if this is no, don't worry about that. That won't. That would just complex it. All right, cool. So if it's that's true, then we come in this one. But if that's not true, if actually, if that one is there, it's board present. Delete board this, else present.
Send some status code. Not a message. Send a status code.
Um, what's the appropriate stairs code? Hang on.
For resource not found. Yeah, that's 404. No, no, we don't want 44. We want a 404. No,
Four,
sorry, resource not found status code. So 404 is the status code when the whole page isn't found. Oh,
404. Resource
okay, go
not
down.
found.
Go down. What's 304?
304. No modified client. No, no, we don't want that one.
Hmm. But we want to display 404 only when the site isn't available, not when delete mode isn't working.
So it goes for object not found.
Yep.
Oh, it's for an item not found. Hang on. For actually may result not found applies to an feature customer. It works well with pages. Yeah, we don't want
Okay.
that
Let's
one.
do 404 then, I guess.
Status code. I think it would be 404 in this
Right.
case.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let me just make sure.
Yeah.
Understanding false, indicating that there was a problem with the request.
Mm-hmm.
Server errors was accepted by an error on the server code. No, we don't want that. Returned when a new resource has been shown. No, we don't want that. I think this is the appropriate one, as in problem with the request.
Hmm.
So just to fall for. How was it again? Send status, was it?
Yeah, just do
It wasn't send status, it was status code.
yep.
Status code 404.
Mm-hmm. And do res.then. Write any message for now, but we'll remove the message.
Mm-hmm. Uh, board not found.
One sec.
Alright?
One second. Why do I have a feeling that it was um res.status, not res dot
We can
status.
always have a look. Don't
It's
worry.
just res.status. Then
Huh?
it's just res.status. I just looked on the documentation.
Okay, cool. So it must be that. Let's go to that one. Res.status, right?
Hmm.
Okay, board, no found. Cool. Error while deleting. Um,
Yeah, that looks fine.
I'm just checking when will it. Okay, cool. That's fine. All right. Yeah, that would probably make sense, I guess. Yeah.
That the catch will come in when any of the try ones make an error. The catch will come in then.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what we are trying to do is we are telling that the resource not found, but the catch is for an error, like when the
Mm-hmm.
program crashes.
Yeah. Cool. Let's do
Yep.
this.
You deploy. I'll be back in 1 second.
Yeah. Do you want the control? Is he gone? Yeah, he's gone. Right. Okay. Cool. That's fine. I will build it and deploy it as well. There we go. That's gone deployed. Okay, let's check this with Postman and see what it gives us now. Okay, internal server error. Cool. Actually, what do we have here? Get. If we try and delete this board here, what does it do? Delete, yeah, but if we pass it an incorrect one, then what does it do? Internal server error. Okay, where did we go wrong? Let's have a look. Oh, so we didn't really go wrong anywhere. It's just that isn't there working properly. Okay, we don't wanna give that error, but we wanna show descriptive error. Board false, yeah, if that's not equal to that one, then it would remain
Yo, what's up?
that doesn't work
Why not?
because the try and catch is in the F block. And long as it doesn't find the board ID, it would
Yeah.
never go in the F block. So, which is why I meant that we might have to move that try and catch outside.
Right.
That's why. So, if I do this, try catch, try and catch is that one. If I take this one and then move this over here,
Mm-hmm.
then I can use this concept.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense.
Okay, there we go. Just gonna make sure I've got everything on spot and then
Yes, sir.
test it. Data, there we go. Yeah, cool. All right, let's test this beast and see what does it come back with.
Also, just interesting news. I ordered the sign on my back.
Oh, sexy.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
it's gonna come in like the next 10 or 12 days.
Fantastic, man.
Yeah.
Which one did you get? As in, what does it say?
I'm totally right. It'll say seek discomfort.
Seek?
Seek discomfort in blue color.
Seek discomfort.
Yeah, in
Ah, right,
two
right.
separate lines.
Sexy. Yeah,
Mm.
I love that.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. Like, and then I ordered like LED strips as well. So you know LED strips, right?
No, I don't.
Just like LED light in like strips.
Ah, okay, uh-huh.
Yeah, I'll show it to you. And just like so I can put it on the back of my monitor and on my back as well. So
LED strips for the back of your monitor. Why?
I'll show you how LED strips look like. You can just Google it until it deploys. Or
There you go. It's deployed already.
that was
All right, let's see if the magic worked or not.
yes.
Yay, board no found.
Yay. Oh, wait,
Sexy.
wait, wait. Oh yeah, we already deleted that board. That's why it's not found.
Yes.
Go on the header.
Um, no, so I gave it a wrong ID.
Go on the header, Zen. I just want to see if we get a 404 on the header.
Ah, that's a good point. Yeah, here we
Yeah,
go.
there we go.
Four.
Cool, Ziz.
Sexy.
Um,
All right, cool. So I'm gonna actually, so this is done.
yes, that what's that? I got a new mic. Do you like it? It was gifted to me by my very, very close mentor. So yeah.
I'm just seeing how can I eliminate more of this code because we don't need this now. Rest
Do
of
you know? I mean, you can eliminate the board not found. Like all the messages you see, like even board found or like a delete board, these are
mm-hmm.
going to be deleted when we go on deployment
Yeah,
phases
yeah,
because
mm-hmm.
like middleware doesn't need these messages.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
just
Doesn't
for us.
need it exactly. So
We are
what?
just gonna communicate in like status codes. That's all we're gonna
Mhm.
do.
Yeah, yeah,
We just have to say, okay, if it's deleted, send status 200. If
yeah,
there's a bad gateway or something, say 502 or just like that.
yeah. Cool. All right. So for now, I'll just leave these. We can always come back to them when
Yeah,
we think we are done with the API.
yeah, for sure.
Okay. So this is board ID, single code, board ID. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. They created board ID. Yeah, pen note. That's fine. No, successfully. We should actually. This is the no creation one. Perfect. That's fine. Don't.
Do you reckon all these things are working on the back end with the board ID? Is there any other function left?
Um. So I've got a doubt that the others, which have a smaller, as in lowercase board ID, they're not gonna work anymore.
Give it a go on Postman and we'll just figure out which ones are and which ones aren't working.
What do you mean? How?
Just start with posting to boards. Start with getting and then deleting, and then and Do we have a
Oh,
patch function?
I see what you mean. I don't think we have that yet.
Okay. I remember we were using patch for something.
Oh, you meant patch. I thought you meant batch.
No,
And
no,
I'm like,
patch.
no. Yeah, that's for updating.
Yeah, so let's just try all these four board methods.
Okay, I'm gonna
Um,
try it. So we're
how
just
about you clear all the boards and we test it from scratch?
okay, cool. So I'll just go to DynamoDB, as in that would be the fastest way to do it.
Yep.
Is this the one?
Mm-hmm. That says someone else.
Tables. Have
Did you
they
just
changed the
remove me?
UI?
No, I think you changed the table name.
No, I didn't, because there used to be view items there, but now there
There.
isn't. Ah, it's there. Never mind. I'm just blind.
You can't, no one can code without self criticism.
True, true.
While coding, I just like, it's like just a session to just correct.
Yeah.
Like, I'm so stupid.
All right, cool. So do this. You can just get all the boards, and it should come in none.
Yep, there
And
you go.
I'll create a board. It
Yep.
should come with an ID.
Yeah, that's fine.
Um, it should have come with an ID.
Oh, wait, did you send a body while posting?
I didn't. Ah, that's
That's
why.
the reason.
Ah, come on, Zane. You can't be this. What was it? Role was it?
Can you delete the boards again, please? Sorry.
Okay. Um.
Refresh.
Okay. My brain's going to sleep, I guess, now.
Sunday night, it's fine.
Okay, delete that and do that one. Cool. So now go to that. What's the board name, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Z1. Oh, I'm hungry as well. Oh,
Me too.
oh, I haven't even had my dinner yet. I just realized.
Yeah, me too. What do you
Okay.
plan to have?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, okay, that doesn't work. Did it
Um,
work?
did
D-
you push the changes the last time?
yes. No, not on the like. You won't have my backend.
Yeah, because the board ID was working with your changes,
Yeah,
and
wait.
then re-
uh, Go ahead and go and do a get, and let's see if it's working or it's just like it's totally crashed. Without a body. Do get without body.
it does
Okay, so it
work.
is working.
Hmm.
I'll go on the backend. Easy. That's easy to resolve because I'm pretty sure it's the casing in the board ID. That's all it is.
Post that one
That's
board
the note.
ID.
That's note. Then that's the note. Yeah, go.
Okay, all right. I think I need a break.
It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, this one. Go down. Yeah,
So
yeah,
we're not returning it in the
yeah. So
first
just
place.
I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I did board ID there.
You did either. I'm thinking that I'm pretty sure I you pulled it.
Oh,
No,
right,
I don't know what might
right.
have happened.
That's fine.
Anyway,
Now we know why it's happening.
yeah.
Wait. One
And
second. One second. One second. One second. One second. One second. I think we did something to JSON parser as well. Remember?
can you
I'll
check?
I'll just tell
Actually,
you.
hang on. I'll just go to the repo itself and have a look.
It's fine. It's just one piece of code. I'll just tell you this.
Okay.
SAM API. Yep, there we go. Yeah, so I created an object, remember? So just
Ah,
go ahead and
yeah,
create
yeah.
an object.
So, the data, yeah.
No, just say let board ID obj is equal to, yep, board ID without
Actually,
any,
we don't need to do this.
we do.
We can
That that's
do
how we
that here
resolve the
straight away.
no, that's how we resolve the JSON parsing error, remember?
Right.
Without them. Board
Port
ID,
ID,
B small and D capital.
be small,
And D capital
be
because it
cap,
was clashing with our current board IDs. Um,
port
and board ID,
ID, right?
and just send this as it is. Yep,
Like
we don't
this.
need. Yep, that's fine.
Come on. You know, having a new Mac at this at this speed, I don't know why, but I feel like a senior dev now.
I know what you mean. I mean, it's just crazy how good these things are sometimes.
Yeah, exactly. And I'm
But
really happy as in what initiative you took, and
yeah,
I I just said why not, and then you actually pushed me. Yeah, come on, get it.
yeah.
It's worth it.
I literally just told Zen that I'm gonna check up with you tomorrow morning that have you filled the order or not. Okay, yeah. Let's
Okay, cool. Go to that one. Okay, get all the actually,
you have to do post.
that's fine. I will do that one. It's a pairing. So I will just, what did we want to do?
Post. Go on
Ah,
post.
post. Yeah.
And don't forget to write a body. Right. Yeah. Z2.
Okay.
There we
Cool.
go.
There we go. Perfect. So then get is working.
Gets
And the
working.
process.
Post is working. Delete's working. I guess.
So I'm just gonna delete the first one and see how that works out. Delete.
Yep.
Error while the parent is not defined. Ah, params.
No, this is not the
Oh, no,
delete.
no,
This is
no.
post.
Yeah, params,
Go down.
params, params one.
Rams one is undefined. See,
Ah, I
it's
think this
not.
is where you were saying about try. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the reason why we had done it. But that being said, you can declare params one globally, like outside the for loop, if you really want to do it that way. One params one. We're talking about. Yep. And on line 136, don't say let. Try it now.
I'm just really surprised how much our both efficiency has in, increased now.
Hmm.
Just because of this small thing.
Yeah.
No, why am I doing?
He's like deploy. I was like,
Deploy guidance.
it's really sleepy to do this.
Okay, it's official. Come on, Zane. Come on, focus. Oh,
You
it's
did
past
TY.
11 already.
Do it again. Oh, there we go. No, that works. That's fine. Sorry. I thought the TY screwed it up, but
I'm
no, it
too
didn't.
fast now.
Yeah,
Okay? I'm too fast now, mate.
you're catching the Karthik virus.
Yeah. K virus.
Yeah, let's delete that.
Delete.
Yes.
Cool, perfect.
There we
This is
go.
gone. And if I just do this, um,
Yes.
0, it should come back with 4, 4, 5.
Oh, wait.
What?
What?
502 now.
What'd you
Hang
change?
on. Just change the ID number.
Interesting.
Oh, here we go. Cool. That's fine.
Wait. Okay. So if you mess up with the length,
Hang
is
on
it
a
doing the
minute.
same thing?
I'm just gonna confirm this
Yeah. Do that.
because I'm pretty sure length has to be the same.
So I think for that matter, do delete again. Go back, delete, and mess up with the length. Like make it half.
Okay.
Yeah. Delete now. Will give a bad gateway. Okay, that's fine. Wait.
Not fine.
Um. Right. Use special characters like dollar or apostrophe or something. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so
Bad request.
yeah, so it is.
The
Okay.
request cannot be fulfilled due to bad syntax. Okay, because we can't
Yeah, that's fine.
include these special characters in that one. I think that should be fine though, but in the middle where we should display these kind of descriptive errors.
Hmm. Yeah, no, that's fine. We are not gonna send that anyway. Cool, that
Yeah.
works. I don't know why it gave get bad gateway initially, but um,
Hang on a
yeah,
minute.
that's
I'll try one thing.
yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about it. So that one is done, and now we need to do a patch as well. Oh
Yeah.
no, we don't need patch. Do we?
There was a method called update board where you update the um content of the board title or something. Oh wait, that was for note, was it? There's
Yeah.
control
That's for
control
now.
patch.
Update
Oh,
specific
yeah, that was
no.
for note.
Yeah, cool. So a board is happily
Wait.
working well,
So
right?
that being said, if a board is created with a name, would it never be able to be updated? I think we should create a patch for board name as well.
So you're saying that if they want to change the board name, they should be able to do it.
Yeah, I mean, do we want to make it like final the board name? Functionality point of view, I don't think so. We should do it.
I think that would we can probably come back to that one because this is supposed to be the MVP completely, as
Hmm.
in the replication of the existing,
Hmm.
but
Okay.
just added persistent storage. I don't really want to enhance the scope as in
I
from the get-go.
Though I have a feeling in the original one you can change the board name.
Okay, in
I have
that
a
case
feeling.
we
I'm
should.
not sure, but
Okay, yeah,
yeah,
in
we'll
that
figure it out.
hmm all right, let's just
Yeah, you can.
continue for now.
So I tried it.
Hmm.
Uh, I think you can do it. Yeah.
You tried it. Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
In that case, let's just do that as well.
Yeah. Also, in Scramble.ca, board name and board title are two separate things. But that'll come afterwards when we're gonna do front end.
Yeah, yeah. All right,
Yep.
cool. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna. How about if you call it a day?
Yeah, sure. But yeah, thank you everyone. Thanks for joining in.
Hmm.
And yeah, I'm sorry I was late. Hmm. But yeah, I think even that we were able to do a lot of stuff. So
Yeah.
today seemed like really productive, and
Yeah. Yeah.
hopefully tomorrow is
Sure.
the same as well. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks for
Hopefully.
joining.
Thanks, guys, for joining, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place, and a different talk.
Different task. I think I'll start speaking with you.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
you can say
yeah,
same time, same place, and I'll end with you like different task.
yeah. As in, really, as in emotional voice and a different task.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Right,
Cheers.
guys. Have a good night. Cheers.
Good
Bye.
night. Bye.